Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. I hope you're all taking the day easy. I hope you're all taking it nice and slow. It's your boy, Nice and Easy, coming back at you all with another video. Now today, what I'd like to talk about is how to insure your cups at the Titan store here in the Philippines. Now, Titan is one of the largest basketball retail stores in the Philippines. It opened quite a number of years back. It's purely for all basketball related performance, Jordans, shirts, shorts, socks, so that's all apparel, shoes, everything you need basketball related is there. But the thing is, Titan receives a lot of flack because not everyone can cop. What everyone's saying is that people use bots, they give priority to friends and family, resellers are overtaking those who actually collect. Now, these are all problems we hear all around, but they receive so much flack because people can't get their shoes. Now, my first message, people, that's a part of life. People who use bots. Friends and family will get their first pick. Resellers have their ways. They're going to get most of the shoes, and that's a part of collecting sneakers. That's part of buying sneakers. That's something we have to accept. Now, we can't change anything. I mean, it would be nice if everyone could get their shoes, but not everyone will. Now, I made this video not to tell you all to get a plug, to get a bot. No, I'm going to show you how you can maximize your chances at getting a pair of shoes. Now, I'm not trying to brag that I've been able to cop a lot. No, they're most definitely not. I'm here to help you guys also cop your own shoes. Now, one advantage of mine is I wear a big shoe size, and it's a little bit easier, but, hopefully these techniques work for you too. Now, I've been talking a bit too much. Let's get into the video. Now, first of all, my first tip number 1, research. Research release dates first and foremost. Get your kicks on fire. I personally use the J23 app because they have a lot of releases throughout the year. Know your release dates. Know it a month, at the start of the month, at the start of the season, at the start of the year if possible. It will help you a lot if you know the release dates. Now, once you see releases you like, list them down. Categorize them. Are they a must cop? Are they an iffy? Or are they a not cop? Now, staying organized like this keeps you up to date. When will shoes come out? When to anticipate releases so that you can already prepare for when they come out. Next, try to find out if they're a GR, if they're limited, or they're an NRG. GR, general release, means that you probably won't have any problems. If they do sell out in the store, you can also go to another store, no problem. Limited means they're open to the public. You probably can't get them with only one pair, or you may have to go resale, but you have a good chance of getting them. If a GR is 100%, limited might be an 80% chance. Now, next one is NRG. NRG are super limited releases. Now, these are the very, very limited numbered quantities of shoes. It will be really hard to get. Now, these will be probably pre-orders, raffles, things of that nature. Find out. It's online. You can check out videos of people. Unbreakable Kicks talks about them. I think Tony D. Too Wild. Check out those guys. Those are the guys I watch. And then try to find out so you can already, again, prepare. It's all about preparation. Buying shoes is all about preparation if you're in it to collect. Next, finally, let's get into how to purchase the kinds of releases. First of all, Titan does 3 kinds of releases. Store and online general release, the Titan RSVP, and the raffle. Sometimes they do a pre-order, but that's very rare. First, let's talk about the raffle. Now, the raffle gets a lot of flack because they say that it's not a real raffle, it's just to gain some hype. The thing with the raffle is, it actually works. I've done it. I've done the raffle, I've won. My first time joining a raffle was for these pair of shoes. The Air Jordan 1 Red Toe. I joined the raffle. I wasn't even a TPC member, a Players Club member at the time. So just put in my information, my size, and then boom, I got a text that I got the Red Toe ones. The thing with the raffle is it's a raffle. It's really just there. So if someone lucky can win it, they have the chance now to purchase it. And it's a raffle to buy a shoe. I mean, it sounds crazy. To me, it sounds crazy. You have to enter a raffle to pay money to buy a shoe. It's absolutely crazy to me, but that's what the first way. It's really just by chance. It's by luck. That's it. I mean, if you have people you know, you can get their phones, type in your information, so you can go have higher chances. If you have multiple emails, but I don't know about the multiple emails thing because they say multiple entries get deleted. But anyway, your dad, your mom, your brothers, your sisters, your co-workers, your friends, and that's how you might be able to get them. And really, it's just a game of chance with these raffles. Next are RSVP releases. RSVP means that you will go to the site, reserve yourself a pair, and you will pick it up on the day it releases. I believe RSVPs were these guys right here, Katrina 3s. I also think they did it for the Shadow ones. I think they also did it for the Shadow ones, but anyway, I'm sure they did for the Katrina 3s because that's how I got my pair. RSVP, it's important to know what time they will release the RSVP on what date. Now this is where this very important factor comes in. Instagram. It's very essential that if you plan to cop shoes off Titan, get on Instagram. If you don't have an Instagram account, make one. If Titan's the only thing you're going to follow, go ahead and do it. Now the thing on Instagram, turn on the notifications for the story and for the posts, because that's where all the information comes from, especially on the stories. That's how I got my bread toes in the raffle, because I clicked on that story, I swiped up, typed in the information. At the time, I wasn't doing any notifications. That's how I also missed certain releases, like the Tinker 3s. Those were on my list for the year. I wasn't able to see the notification fast enough. By the time I got online, sold out. Nothing the RSVPs is, so stay online on Instagram. They'll say the details. And then when the day comes around for the RSVP, make sure you're on that link. Click it right away. Reserve yourself a pair of the brands you want, and you get these kind of shoes. But this was GR. This took a while to sell out. This took a while to sell out on it on the RSVP. Now next, let's talk about a special little category. These are pre-orders on this pair, the Black Cement 3s. They did a pre-order earlier this year when these came out. But the thing was that you had to go to a specific branch, go pre-order the shoe, then when you pre-order, they'll give you something so on the day it releases, you present it at the store, you can go cop a pair. Now, they don't do that all the time. I think it's because this was a really hype. Black Cement is an OG colorway. Yeah, I think that's why they did that. But that's it. Now, let's talk about very limited releases. And the very limited releases, same as these guys, they got very few pairs, they did a raffle. But if they get a bit more, if they get a few more pairs, they'll go on RSVP. And you won't always get them in the RSVP like I said earlier, but now I'm going to give you tips. Okay, you missed the RSVP. You missed the pre-order. You have one shot left. I'm telling you, one shot left. And that's how I got these. Air Jordan 1, homage to home. Now, these are NRGs. They're very nice shoes. They pay tribute to Chicago. These are the non-numbered pairs. Numbered pairs only came out in Chicago. But still, these are very nice shoes. How did I get these? I tried to get them on the RSVP. It didn't work out. I missed it. I didn't get any size. All sold out. Now, here's the thing with Titan. They say they RSVP. They say they do pre-orders, but those aren't all the pairs. I can guarantee you how. That's how I got this particular shoe. On this shoe, on the day I cautiously waited on my Instagram because from experience, Titan does not release all pairs to RSVP. They leave open pairs, which they release on the site, Titan22.com. They release on the site at certain times. And when they come out, you gotta click fast. Now they come out on the site. Again, they come out on the site. These are for all shoes. These came out on the site, and this is how I got them. I didn't get them through RSVP, got them on the site. Same thing for these. These came out on the site. There's still sizes on the site. The The thing is, people aren't observant enough to know these things. These, I got these on the site. These sold out in all the stores, but these are on the site. Until now, there's still a size 15 and a 16, I think. These went on the site. So did these. All of these shoes come out on the Titan website. So did the Best Hands in the Game pack. So did the cap and gowns. These things came out on the site very, very quickly. But the thing is, people know that you have to click very quickly as well. How do you get on the site? Usually, if there's a specific time, like these homage to homes, these came out at 12 noon, exactly 12 noon. So, go on your computer 10 minutes before. It pays off. Go to your computer 10 minutes before. These come out at 12 noon. At 11:59 and 58 seconds, I click refresh so that when exactly 12 noon comes around, there's the shoe. Now the thing is, those 2 seconds are very important because I want to be on that page at exactly at 12 noon to get the highest chance possible for me to cop a pair. Go to it a few seconds later, those pairs are gone. I'm telling you, people are fast. Same thing for any pair. Get to the site fast so you can get the shoes. Now, another thing is stores, if they're not that limited, stores will also get open pairs. They aren't the RSVP pairs, they'll say open so they can share, they can sell those. And also if people don't claim their RSVP pairs, the next day they'll be able to sell them. So now the thing is with buying shoes off Titan, it's all about being wary, it's all about being observant, it's all about research, and it's all about being quick. It's about knowing their trends, knowing how they sell. For example, those homage tones, like I said, came out at 12 noon. If it's not 12 noon, it's usually at 10 a.m. 10 a.m. is the time to go and start refreshing, starting to get those pairs. And again, I just want to tell everybody, you will not always get the shoes. You will not always get them. You will take L's, but that's the game. That's how it is. I get frustrated when people are blaming the seller or are blaming Titan for shoes they don't cop, when in fact, it's just because you struck out. I mean, that's the game. It's the name of the game. Everyone wants these. Only a certain limited number are made. Supply and demand. The demand is much higher than the supply. If you can't have them, we're sorry. I'm sorry. If it's not meant to be, it's not meant to be. And just look at it this way. You save some money. Put it into something else. Put it in your savings. Go invest it. Or get it for another release. You don't have to get mad because you didn't get a shoe. It's just a piece of footwear at the end of the day. It's just a material object. These things will degrade with time. You're not going to bring them to your grave. I'm sorry about a little rant, but that's it for today. Now, these are just my tips on how you guys can have a higher chance of getting your shoes off Titan. Now, comment down below if it worked for you, just like the way it works for me. Hopefully you guys can cop. Subscribe to my channel, like the video, follow me on Instagram at nice_and_easy. I'll put it at the end of the video. I'll put it in the description box. So that's it for today, guys. Remember, in copying shoes, just like in life, take it slow, take it easy. It's been your boy, Nice and Easy, and I will check out.